Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to register or how to create an account on Aster DEX. First of all, what we're going to do is go to asterdex.com and then we click on Launch App. Then right now what we're going to do is we go right here to Connect Wallet and now we can log in with an email address. So we click here Login, select right here your main email address and then we click right here on Submit. And then right now he is sending a code to our email address. So we go to our email address and then right here we have it. And then we do copy and paste. And then right now, the login is success. So now he is saying, welcome to Aster DEX. We created your account. So it's seriously that easy, guys. And this was exactly the video how to create an account on Aster DEX or how to log in or how to register, what you want to call it. So right now, this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.